আমার নাম জোসনা আক্তার। আমি 7 বছর যাবৎ গার্মেন্টসে চাকরি করি। আমার মেয়ে এবার জিপিএ 5 পাইছে। আমার স্বপ্ন আমার মেয়েরা আরও পড়াতে চাই।
আমি আর 5 জনের মতো স্বাভাবিকভাবে হাঁটাচলা করতে পারি না। তারপরে আমি গার্মেন্টসে চাকরি করে আমার মা বাবাকে প্রতি মাসে টাকা পাঠাই। আমি আমার পাটাকে অপারেশন করা সুস্থ স্বাভাবিকভাবে জীবনযাপন করতেছি।
আমার হাজব্যান্ড 4 বছর দ্বিতীয় বিয়ে করছে। আমার আর আমার ছেলে মেয়ের কোনো খোঁজ খবর রাখে না। আমি আমার সংসারের হাল ধরছি।
They are not alone. Millions of such stories stitch the story of Bangladesh ready-made garments industry. Apparel industry of Bangladesh is not only a means of livelihood for over 4 million workers, but it also helped many of them realize their lifelong dreams. The industry that has transformed millions of lives has also transformed itself over the years. RMG sector is now the lifeline of the Bangladesh economy, contributing a staggering 82% to the country's export earning. Most RMG workers are female. Clearly, this is ensuring women empowerment and also showing a way out of early marriage, reducing child mortality and maternal mortality rate.
And that is the most important for Bangladesh, and this is the only sector where the number of female workers are getting job opportunity and they are working and they are earning money, and which is contributing the whole nation, the society as well as their family.
RMG's rise from scratch to the pinnacle is attributed to the efforts of the people. Their safety and rights make more sense than their contribution. For the last few years, garments workers, the government of Bangladesh, stakeholders, buyers, and national and international organizations have been working hand in hand to ensure rights of workers and safety at workplace. Workers' minimum wages rose by 223% since 2010. And 5% yearly increment is a must. Festival bonus is mandatory.
What is remarkable to see today is almost all the garment factories have gone through a standardized inspection. A number of them are going through the remediation. Substantial number have completed or about to complete the remediation. A large chunk of factories under the government initiative have to complete the remediation.
Bangladesh has improved remarkably in terms of workplace safety. Bangladesh declared Sustainability Compact with European Union and the ILO in 2013, which was later on joined by USA and Canada. The country has made visible progress in line with the compact. All the factories have been inspected.
That is the positive development happen in terms of the perception at the global level, that how a weak industry have transformed through different kinds of bold and stern measures and becoming a globally competitive and sustainable apparel industry within a very short time.
Remediation Coordination Cell (RCC) established to oversee remediation of the 1,500 factories under the national initiative. Labor law was amended in 2013. Labor rules passed in 2015. Elected Workers' Participation Committee and Safety Committee have been made mandatory in the factories by the law.
While workplace safety has seen tremendous progress, labor rights is much more challenging. What we also see parallelly is the changes that are occurring in the government. Labor Inspectorate is much more capacitated, better equipped, better staffed. They are able to monitor the factories, and in the years to come, in the next 3-4 years to come, we hope that there will be a very strong Labor Inspectorate.
Department of Inspection for Factories and Establishment (DIFE) was upgraded and 307 new inspectors recruited.
The help of development partners and ILO, we train them various sectors. we have sent them abroad for the training, and by this process we develop their mindset in the international standard. And I hope this inspector will act as a main driven power for keeping RMG industry safe. For the first time, we announced 28th April as a National Safety Day.
The government also established Workers' Welfare Fund, where the RMG industry is contributing $10 million now, and which will grow in proportion with the growth of the industry. Registered trade unions have been rising sharply in number in the last few years.
After the Rana Plaza, there is also lots of change has been done. Number of union has been registered. Some of the union has good collective bargaining.
The government of Bangladesh has recently formed the Tripartite Consultative Committee to address the labour and workplace-related issues in RMG with the participation of government, trade unions and RMG owners. This committee will deal with all unresolved issues, disputes and grievances raised by its parties. The government of Bangladesh, Sweden, Denmark and the ILO launched a project for promoting social dialogue and harmonious industrial relations in Bangladesh ready-made garments industry. Bangladesh, being one of the lowest carbon emitters in the world, is taking lead in green industrialization. Its garment factories are now going green in phases with eco-friendly technologies. As workers are the heart of the RMG industry, they are provided with occupational health and safety training on a regular basis. Fire drilling takes place regularly. Bangladesh Garments Manufacturers Association, BGMEA, provides regular training programs on Bangladesh Labour Law 2006 and industrial relation for both factory management and workers.
The progress is very much evident and transparent. In comparison with other RMG producing countries, we have done far better. We want cooperation from buyers, government, policymakers of our export destinations and donor agencies to let this journey go on.
RMG is not just a source of employment in Bangladesh, but it is also becoming prominent as a sector of safety and sustainability. Let's work together for a better tomorrow.